Manchester motorcyclist injured in crash has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A motorcyclist who was injured in a crash in Manchester on Sunday has passed away. He has been identified as 26-year-old Tyler Brendan Thompson of Iverness district in the parish, who died on Monday. Reports are that at around 3:20 a.m. on March the 30th, Thompson was riding his 2018 motorcycle along the Sunset Boulevard in Newport when, upon reaching a section of the roadway, he reportedly failed to negotiate a corner and fell from the motorcycle. He sustained severe injuries and was assisted to the Mandeville Regional Hospital, where he was admitted. He succumbed to his injuries last night. An investigation is being undertaken by the Mandeville Traffic Department. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.